The Dell Latitude 3550 business laptop is built for professionals who need power, speed, and reliability. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Whether you're multitasking, handling large files, or working on AI-driven tasks, this laptop is designed to keep up with your workload. At its core, the Intel 12-core Ultra 7155U processor ensures seamless multitasking with AI-driven optimization. With a turbo boost up to 4.8 GHz, it delivers high-speed performance for any demanding task. Combined with an impressive 64GB DDR5 RAM, you'll experience smooth operation even with multiple applications running at once. Storage won't be a concern, thanks to its massive 2TB PCIe SSD. Load applications in seconds, transfer files swiftly, and keep your important data safe with ultra-fast read and write speeds. The 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare display delivers crisp visuals, reducing eye strain while working for long hours. Connectivity is top-notch with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring stable and fast internet access wherever you go. The laptop is also equipped with multiple ports, including USB 4 Gen 2 Type-C, HDMI, Ethernet, and more, allowing you to connect your essential devices without hassle. Security is a priority with Windows 11 Pro, providing enterprise-grade protection and advanced encryption. The backlit keyboard with fingerprint reader enhances convenience and safety, offering quick and secure logins. Designed for portability, the Latitude 3550 is slim, lightweight, and durable, making it the perfect companion for business professionals who work on the go. Whether you're in the office, at home, or traveling, this laptop is built to keep up with your lifestyle. If you're looking for a high-performance business laptop with advanced features, the Dell Latitude 3550 is the ultimate choice. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.